We're still in Moorea, and we're going on a full-day boat tour from 9:30 to 3:30. And I'm ready to have my water. I have my special shoes. I have my swimsuit, my sunglasses, and my sunscreen. And I'm raring to go. Take a look around.
Dancing on the sea, a place where hearts run wild and free. Captain Taina's boat set sail, stories ride the ocean's trail. Fish darting in the water's glow, coral gardens down below. A turtle waves as it glides by, like a dream beneath the sky. Breathe the salt air deep, feel the lagoon keep your spirit in its tide. Lagoon days, oh lagoon nights.
Here we are in Moorea, and we're having fruit punch and rum. We just finished a boat tour, and I've already had a couple of rums, and I'm feeling really great. And this is a nice little island. Had a great time, and saw the sharks and the sun rays. And now we're gonna have a bite to eat. They're cooking over there.
Coral gardens down below, a turtle waves as it glides by, like a dream beneath the sky. Breathe the salt air deep, feel the lagoon keep your spirit in its tide. Lagoon days, oh lagoon nights, where the water's clear and the world feels right. Captain Taina's laughter.
Wow, jus de citron, les amis. Citron ici. So my friend, this is a lime juice.
That looks delicious. We're gonna have that with some rice, and then we're gonna go back and have a nice nap. Overnight.
The drumbeat of the distant shore tells tales we've heard 1,000 more. Coconut trees sway in the breeze, humming songs of memories.
Check out my other videos on 1-minute tours on YouTube, and make sure to give us a like and subscribe.